Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to provide a quick update on SNPW Sun Pacific Holding Corp. We're going to talk about some things they've been releasing on Twitter, talking about some things they got going on for the company, as well as breaking down the chart. So let's dive right on into it. Okay, guys, so just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing in any type of company. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 300 subscribers, which is our next milestone. So we'd really appreciate subscribing to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell if you enjoy getting notifications from YouTube about when we do release new content. So let's go ahead and dig into their Twitter feed. And I want to show you a tweet that they had a couple of weeks ago on February 23rd. All right, guys, so this is from February 23rd. It says we're working on press releases, sorry, and a freshly updated company website. A lot going on, so please bear with us while we get the news out and our site completed. Thank you for the support. So ever since then, they've been pretty active on Twitter. So I'm going to run through several of the posts that they've put out, and then we'll break the charts down and see what it's telling us. Okay, guys, so the first one that I want to go over, it says over 9 million of our proprietary equipment is in our first med recycler facility in Rhode Island, 100% self-sufficient, ready and waiting to go. Then the next one says our med recycling facility in Rhode Island will be the first of many. We are actively planning to expand into other states in 2021 and 2022, and we'll keep everyone updated on our progress. Want us to generate power and revenue for your state? Let us know. Next tweet talks about how they've announced an agreement with Atlas Transit, and says they bring critical real-time data to vehicles and people via our smart digital solar bus shelters, ensuring emergency support in the event of critical power loss or power disruption like the disastrous Texas freeze recently. Our work with Atlas will also bring charging stations for small electric vehicles such as electric bikes and scooters to our 1,000 solar stations. Next one up, we're now in review with several U.S. states for tax-exempt bond funding to build waste-to-energy facilities, and we will update you over the next few weeks on our progress. So that's something to keep an eye on here, as if they get some type of agreements from other states for their med recycling center. Basically, they can take waste and turn it into renewable energy, which is pretty exciting. And then as of today, they released that the Department of Energy has a new leader, and it says the clean energy revolution will bring better air quality, cheaper utility bills, and millions of good-paying jobs, all kind of jobs for workers in all parts of America. So the Department of Energy is big on climate change and things like that and clean energy. So that's something that they have in their favor there. So for those of you who are not familiar with this particular stock, this Sun Pacific Holding Corp, they have three subsidiaries which focus on solar. They have a better recycle center that's going to, like I said, produce waste, turn waste and produce it into renewable energy, as well as their other one, Street Smart Furniture, which is basically advertisement for park benches, and things like that, like anywhere you'd see like some type of outdoor seating or outdoor transportation, such as their bus shelters, which, like I was talking about earlier from their tweet, will have charging stations for bikes and things like that. Okay, so today Sun Pacific Holding Corp was down almost 8.5%, and that's from the 1 day. The 5 day, as you can see, it tried to make a little run up, but keeps kind of getting beat down, going back and forth. For the 1 month, we did, have kind of a little spike up and been trailing that ever since. So let's take a look at the charts, and we'll get some detailed support resistance and see what it's telling us. All right, guys, so let's take a look at SNPW. So as you can see here, we're still sitting at fair value territory. We did have a buy signal here, not much happened, little to no volume at all, and then a sell signal. So it's just kind of continuing to go back and forth in this little channel here. your support's going to be at about 7.5 cents, resistance 13 cents and some change. And once we can get past there, then I'm hoping that we can see some more momentum and we can eventually push back up to that 20 cent to 25 cent level moving forward. So if you're going to buy this one, this now is not a bad time to get in and just kind of sit back and wait because it is pretty calm right now. There's not a lot of volume, especially on the selling side. It's not like it's dumping off and it's not too extremely volatile. So as long as it stays, in this area here, I'm comfortable buying. If it continues to start coming down and down and down, I get a little bit more iffy because as you see here, this SMA line, you don't want it to go below there. A good sign is we are staying and holding support above that SMA line, which shows that we should continue on an uptrend as long as we hold support above that. So that's all I got for you tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.